Happy Friday to all of you, March 19th. And let's start with a warm up today. And this is going to be a super quick warm up. I'm just going to show you two problems that have to do with scale factor and similar figures. And within your crew, you're just going to talk about it, talk with a partner, talk in your pod, and figure it out quickly. Again, only a couple problems. So we're going to do that here in just a second. And then what will happen after we do the warm-up is we'll meet on the next video. It'll be 1B, and we'll continue to go through this similar figure packet. So the same packet that you had started with yesterday at the end of the hour. And then again, it's linked here virtually if you need it still. So I still have the same thing as far as time remaining. If you still have time today, I'm trying to give you as much time as possible to work on BuzzMath to get that completed by next Friday, all 5 of those. And same thing with ALEKS. You know, that's always something that you can go into and work on so that gets done also by Sunday. So today is the end of the second trimester, and we start third trimester on Monday. And so that ALEKS score, like I said, that ALEKS grade for this week will go into third try. Also, real quick on the coming up, we're going to do on Monday, when you come back in, a scale drawing quick check in Schoology. And just to kind of see how you're doing with lesson 4, with the scale drawings, and like the blueprints that we did in the maps, and then as well as the similar figures. So let's get to it. So let me show you the warm-up. Here, this. So go ahead right now, and within your crew, you can pause. So this is on your screen, and talk with your crew or your pod or another individual. Find the scale factor for number 1 and find the scale factor for number 2, and then I will meet you back. Okay, so hopefully for number 1, let me make this bigger again. Hopefully for number 1, when you look at those rectangles going from the smaller rectangle to the larger, so you're enlarging the rectangle, and you're going from 4 inches to 12 inches and 9 inches to 27 inches, you're looking to see if that scale factor is the same on both of those sides that are labeled. And you hopefully should have said it's getting 3 times bigger. So times 3 times the original size. Number 2, looking at the triangles. So you start with a bigger triangle with sides of 40 inches and 20 inches, and then it is shrinking. It's getting smaller, and your smaller triangle has sides of 20 inches and 10 inches. So again, since you're shrinking, your scale factor needs to be a fraction. So you can say dividing by 2, and that's fine. But when you see like your quick check on Monday or on the test coming up next week or the work that we're going to do today in your packet, those scale factors are represented as a multiplication and a fraction. So it's actually times 1/2. It's half the size. So number 1 times 3 is your scale factor, and number 2 times 1/2. All right, so next, right, like I said, we're going to head into this next video. So I will meet you back in 1B here and have your packet back in front of you again from yesterday. We're going to go over the front page, or I'm sorry, the front page answers to where we left off, and then we're going to continue from there. So I'll see you back in the next video in just a few.